They're dropping on Delta.
Spawn on me if you want. Like in the middle.
I'm still gonna help on Delta. Okay.
I'm gonna go and hide somewhere behind here.
One on roof here on me.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll go and get him, this guy who's killing you. Oh, shit. My
Oh,
bad.
shit.
That's okay, my bad. I went behind you.
I'm coming. Tank hit 60.
Thank you.
My jet is down.
They got A back.
Yeah.
Button help for flag, man. I
Who
mean,
at A? Who at A?
for a while.
Tank hit.
And Alpha and Bravo. You
Oh,
guys
one
can
close
push
on
C.
me.
Oh, B, Bravo.
I spawn on Bravo.
Chef, spawn on B, Jojo. We are taking Delta.
They're taking A. One guy at A, I can see in the building. He's going to B. Yeah, that's fine. We killed the tank though.
Jet is up.
Oh shit, we need to protect Alpha and Bravo now.
Okay, I'm at hiding at Alpha and Bravo.
Yeah, me too.
Well, we don't need so many people. I can hide Alpha Bravo.
Oh, behind.
Watch this guy.
Yeah. Oh, fun.
Where is the tank?
Front of... No, it's not there. Okay, I'm gonna jump out. You can take the heli. We need a flag. Should I go to Delta? Should I go to Delta?
Yeah. Oh,
I'm gonna push. Okay, I'm gonna give me a shot at the
no
tank.
one went to Alpha and Bravo, you see?
Try to TV the tank.
So put it.
TV the tank.
Yeah, going. One hit at the tank. One hit at the tank. Only got one hit. There's a stinger guy aiming at us.
I'm down in the jet. Watch out, heli.
Oh.
I'm crushed. Server is crushed.
Someone is here.
No,
There is two guys.
Just you crash.
My
hurry
body.
up.
I'll fix you.
No. Just
Oh, jet is coming. Jet is coming.
Another one.
Go. Jet is coming.
We don't have tank. I'm at moving to tank.
Tank in Delta.
Alpha is clear.
Heli in Delta, swear.
Tank is almost down. On Delta.
Button, are you able to return?
I'll
He's
stay
in the
at
house.
C.
He's on the house.
You guys can
outside here.
push Delta. The heli's at Delta. Their heli's at Delta.
Button, can you join back?